This is Nancy with Fix This House, and today I'd like to do a short review / tutorial on the Shark Professional Steam Mop. This is the purple version, and I purchased it at Walmart, I think for about 90 bucks. And I also got some extra of these pads right here, and I want to show you how it works. I have a helper here. These are the pads that go on. I purchased an extra set of these, so I have 4, and that seems to be doing the trick. We do a lot of mopping and cleaning because we have some rental properties we do with Airbnb, and I'm going to pass this over to you. Have a seat. Try not to get me in it. Okay, so let me show you how the pads go on. So at the base there is this kind of plastic unit here, and there's a section here where the steam comes out right there. That side, this side, the steam comes out. Now this whole bottom here will come off if you push this button here and pull down, okay? It only goes on one way. So it's got this kind of end right here, and I think you could probably say that can you see this? The line here and the hole go towards the back of the machine, and it clips on. But this lets you take it off by pushing the button, and then you can put the mop on. Let's try this one. This mop one, slide it in. One side, it's got Velcro at the top, and I'll show you that in just a second. My machine's gonna fall down. There we go. So I'm gonna show you the Velcro. This is one side that flaps out, and then you just put these together. So it's really kind of easy. Like I said, I bought 2 extra mop tops, and they wash really easily. I throw them into the washer, usually 4 of them together. I put any dirty, like old rags, towels into the washer together. You don't want to dry it. You don't want to use fabric softener. You wash them, they get really dirty, and you can probably tell that this is still a little bit stained from all the work that I've done with this. So to turn it on, you plug it in, and then here it has options for how much steam you want. There's a dust option and a mop option. Honestly, I only mop, okay? So I hit it 1 time. That would be for light steam. 2 times, and you're on mop. The back side here holds the reservoir. So there's a little knob here. My complaint would be that this knob's a little bit hard to open. There's not these things here are not big enough. If you have a little bit of arthritis, it's a little bit hard to open that up. You fill up this tube here with water. You can also put a little bit of detergent or floor cleaner in there if you'd like, and it sucks up the water and pushes out steam in the bottom. You can see that it's steaming here, and then you just slide it along the ground, the floor. You don't have to follow it. Just hold still. And it cleans and sanitizes your floor as it goes. So I think it works great. Let me turn this off. I think my complaints would be just that this is hard to turn. I don't think that the pads are difficult to change out. You want them to stay on. They stay on well, so it's worth it for them to be a little bit harder to get on. The reservoir, there's a little, I don't have the picture with me here. The little reservoir has a pitcher that you can use that's narrow that fills this up. So that's nice. It has a place for storing the cords here. And I would say if you get one of these, grab yourself an extra box with the replacements so that you have multiple rags that you can use if you're doing a lot of cleaning. And what else? I think that's about it. My kids complained that it smelled initially like an iron, a brand new iron when you first start using it. But other than that, the thing works great. Picks up dirt, cleans really well, and the pads wash really well. So I've been using this heavily for the last month, and I have no problem recommending it to you. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, or you have one of these yourself, let me know what you think down below. Thanks.